going on, y'all? It's your homegirl, Trendy Gabby, and we doing something real trendy today. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is shape the eyebrows up with the eyebrow pencil, and then we'll take the concealer and sculpt them out. Any product that I'm using will be listed in the description box as well as my social medias. When I'm finished placing my concealer where I want it to be, I'll blend it out with a wet beauty blender. Now I'm taking this same concealer in a lighter color, and I'm gonna, whenever I blend it out, we won't add any setting powders or anything. We'll just make sure that we tap in those eyeshadows so it'll stick better. Most of my brushes don't have any names, but this is like a fluffy crease brush, and I'm using the color Cola. Then I'll be taking a defining eye brush from e.l.f. and the color Escape to deepen the crease a little bit. With my deluxe blender brush, I am adding the color Playground to that brow bone. I can't tell you exactly what kind of brush this is, but it was one of those fluffy brushes but also firm, so that I could get that color Spooky right in the crease. And then I'm gonna mix the color B right there in that brow bone. I just felt like it gave it a little bit of razzle dazzle, a little something. When I'm ready to cut my clients' creases, I have them look up and straight forward. This gives me a better look at where their eye actually creases, and I put those 2 dots wherever I feel like they should be. And this is just a regular eyeshadow brush that I rounded and flattened. Brush also did not have a name, but it is very equivalent to the E17 brush by Morphe. It's very precise, very firm. I want that smoky color, that black color right in the crease. Here I'm taking a random shadow brush and that 4th big champagne color, that shimmery color, and putting it all over the lid. You can skip this part because I ended up covering it up with glitter in the end. But watching myself figure out what I really wanted to do, it was kind of satisfying. So I just decided to leave it in the video. And if you wanted to skip past it, you could. But if not, just watch your girl. Now I'm using some lash glue to adhere the glitter, the mixed glitter and crystal, to the eyelid using the glitter packer. Now I really need to know if y'all liking this video so far or not. I need some hate comments, some great comments, like, share, subscribe, all of that. I just need to know. I want to know what y'all like so I can know what to do in the future. So now I'm making sure that her face is clear of any oils, glitter, or anything else that may have been left on her face before I started doing her makeup. And then I'll add some milk of magnesia. Taking a flat foundation brush, I'm using the Maybelline's Matte Fit Me foundation in the color 360 and spreading it all over my client's face. When I'm finished with that, I'll take a wet beauty blender and blend it out. You can never blend too much. The more you blend, the better it looks. Now I'm taking that Tarte Shape concealer in the color Deep and putting it in the places where I feel like I want to highlight and conceal, like on the bridge of the nose, on the sides of the nose, and then I like a little bit of a bright under eye. So your girl added medium tan sand, which was way too motherfucking light, but it don't even matter. We blended it out. We made it work. And this is a very full coverage concealer, so it go wherever you put it is where it's gonna stay. And if you let it dry too much, it will be hard to blend. So go ahead and blend it out, and then add you some powder. This is some Morphe powder, Banana Rich, and I put that powder in every place where I didn't want it to crease and I wanted to set. I personally don't like the way bacon looks, so I go ahead and just dust that powder off. And with that same brush, I'm taking the color Sculpt from the Scott Barnes contour palette and just putting it in all of the places that I want to contour. And if you're a real hot girl, you're going to add you some hot blush from the 8C palette, okay? And I also almost forgot to contour the nose. But this is a e.l.f. contouring brush. You already know what's going on. And after that, I'll add some eyeliner to the waterline and then a pair of eyelashes just to glam it up a little bit, make it come together. I didn't have any lip gloss or lipstick, so I took a brown eyeliner pencil, lined the lips, and then I put some concealer in the middle, added a little of pink eyeshadow or blush, and then I put some lip gloss on top of it, and boom, bada bing, you got a whole lip color. And then you're gonna spray some setting spray on that face, and boom, it's the whole look.